like about 5 to 10 of their photos, right? Show a lot of love. Now, why do you show a lot of love? Think about it. If somebody shows a lot of love to your profile in a row and you see like, okay, I just got 20 likes from this one person, wouldn't you be a little bit curious, like, who is this? I'm gonna go actually check out their profile. So you're capturing their attention because there's so much automation, there's so much noise out there in the digital world right now that when you actually come authentically, personally with these little touches, people understand that you're human and that you really care about what they have going on. So they're gonna give you the time of the day. They're gonna actually jump on a call. These are the little things that make the biggest difference in the world. I can't tell you how many calls that Isabel and I have actually got on, and literally, this is like word for word. I get so many messages on a daily basis, and I typically don't look at them, or I never get on a call, but for some reason, I'm on this call here with you guys. And yeah, you're right, it's because of those personal touches that you actually did. I felt that you were a real human. You personally connected with me. You said my name and something about what I do, right? That's what they mention every time. You don't have to get it perfect. I remember when I used to think, well, I don't want to do it unless it's perfect. Well, at the end of the day, I learned that perfectionism is not being a perfectionism. It's actually being pretty selfish and self-conscious.